The crypto metaverse is going to change the way the world is experienced. I mean, just imagine being able to interact with others in a 3D environment in a completely new world and in a world that is 100% customizable to your specific likings. I mean, it's really going to change how we interact with each other in the future. Now, the crypto metaverse has some serious implications, and I believe we're going to see new economies started and sprouted in these 3D metaverse crypto worlds, and cryptocurrency is going to be at the forefront. Even NFTs are going to be able to be experienced in a 3D dimension, which is going to add a completely new level of appreciation for all NFTs that are going around right now. We're only experiencing NFTs in 2D for the most part, but just imagine being able to showcase your 3D art, your beautiful NFTs in a virtual world that you created. I mean, the future has some serious upside and potential, not only for the metaverse, but for NFT value as well, because if NFTs can be appreciated in this new dimension, then it's going to continually push the value of these NFTs, making them even more valuable in the future, simply because you can even display them, let's say, at your own private museum of NFTs. I mean, who knows the possibilities of everything you're going to be able to do in the metaverse and with cryptocurrency. So today, I'm going to go over the top crypto metaverse projects that I think have some serious potential. They already have a huge market cap, and they're already making waves where you can experience your own virtual world and virtual worlds created by others in a 3D space and begin interacting with others today if you wanted to. So this is a really exciting video. I've been meaning to make a metaverse NFT video for a while now. So come with me on this journey as we explore the top NFT crypto metaverses. And before I forget, please do not take this as financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I am simply giving you educational content that I find interesting. So please do your own research anytime you're investing in cryptocurrency or any other digital asset. Welcome to Decentraland. Okay, that was my take at trying to do a really cool trailer voice, but that didn't really work out so well. Anyway, so this is Decentraland. This is one of the first metaverses that really began to push the envelope for what is possible in the metaverse space. Decentraland's native token is called Mana. And as you can see, the native token to Decentraland has a pretty decent market cap, right? It's above $1 billion, and it's not too far off of its fully diluted valuation. Now, Mana is also listed on some of the top exchanges in the world. Pretty much every exchange that you can think of that's really popular and really big, Mana is more than likely on that exchange. So being able to get liquidity or moving your currencies in and out of Mana won't be an issue at all, because almost all these exchanges do hold the Mana token. And if we just look at it from an investment point of view, before we dive into the actual metaverse aspect, the token itself has already gone up 1,000x in the past year. I mean, that's a pretty decent return to all the Mana holders. I'm pretty sure they are very happy right now by being involved with this project early on. I mean, those type of gains are serious and people should take note. I mean, there is something happening under the hood of the metaverse, and there's so much that is being pioneered that are going to bring NFTs and the whole cryptocurrency market to a whole other level. Let's just talk about what exactly is Decentraland. Decentraland is a metaverse that allows you to make your own world and your own 3D reality however you want. And you can also go to concerts, you can go to events, you can go to clubs. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. All the things that you'll be able to do and can currently do, you just have to pick whatever metaverse you want to go into. And the entire thing is a 3D experience. I mean, the amount of things you can explore in Decentraland is pretty limitless at this point, because everything can be pixelated. So if you just think about how much space can revolve around pixels and all the things you can build inside a pixelated space, I mean, the worlds in Decentraland are going to exponentially grow in popularity simply because you can program your own unique world. So in Decentraland, you can explore lands owned by users to experience incredible scenes and structures. So imagine being able to build your own Great Pyramid inside of a 3D metaverse on Decentraland, and then hosting an exhibit creating buzz around an event on your digital creation where people can actually experience it through virtual reality or through 3D space on their desktop, then being able to visually appreciate your pyramids inside of Decentraland. I mean, you can even charge people for this exhibition. So if you're hosting this, I can imagine you would even sell virtually tickets to your event to showcase your NFTs or whatever things you've created. Just like we appreciate old Greek structures and Roman structures and Egyptian structures and all these beautiful structures of the past, now we'll be able to create our own unique structures, and we'll be able to pioneer this in the metaverse. So if you just think about the implications about that is some serious stuff right there. And I think the website says it best when it says test the limits of your imagination. I mean, that is literally the case when you're exploring Decentraland. Your imagination is the only thing that you're going to test the limits to see how crazy it can get. And I love this description right here on the website. They say test the limits of your imagination, create scenes, artworks, challenges, and more. Use the simple builder tool, then take part in events to win prizes. For more experienced creators, the SDK provides the tools to fill the world with social games and applications. Guys, I'm telling you, this is going to be huge. It's already making some huge news. Like we mentioned earlier, the possibilities are going to be endless, and now they're empowering just about everyone to go ahead and go into Decentraland and create any world you want. Their tools make it extremely easy, even if you're a beginner and don't have any experience at all creating virtual worlds. Like I'm pretty sure 99% of the world doesn't. I know I don't have experience with it, but now we have tools to make the entire process extremely easy. I just love that. And here's one of the most exciting parts of the cryptoverse in Decentraland. So you'll be able to buy, sell land, estates, avatar wearables, and names in the Decentraland marketplace, stocking the very best digital goods and paraphernalia backed by the Ethereum blockchain. So can you imagine one of your favorite clothing stores now selling that clothing in the metaverse so you can have your own avatar decked out in all your favorite gear that you're already wearing? I mean, we're probably going to see super malls created very soon in the Decentraland crypto metaverse, because people will be able to say, hey, look, check out my amazing jeans, or check out my amazing shirts, or these NFT watches, or whatever you have it. Even haircuts. I mean, just think about that. You can go to a hairstylist in the metaverse and be like, hey, look, buzz me up, make me look good, or here's the style I want, and you can change it in an instant. So, I mean, we'll have hair salons, we'll have all sorts of things that are going to come out of the crypto metaverse that are literally going to change the world. Maybe you even want to be a real estate Mongol and have a ton of real estate in the crypto metaverse, and then as the years progress, sell that real estate and make a profit just like you would in the regular world. Now you'll be able to replicate that in digital 3D space through the metaverse and hold on to these NFT lands for as long as possible. And as more and more worlds begin to develop, those lands will probably be worth a lot more, simply because, I mean, if you just think about how a society works today, you see the most action, the most business around densely populated areas. So that's going to transfer to the crypto metaverse. The more and more densely populated a certain world is, the more and more valuable the land assets are going to be, because more and more people are going to build inside that infrastructure and offer all types of services inside the crypto metaverse, making the land more and more valuable. Now, I know we're still at the very early stages of all of this, but I just want you to think of the future implications of what all of this means. And it's really hard just not to get super excited about all of this. So I encourage all of you to go check out Decentraland and start messing around with the 3D world. I mean, you can get started today exploring the Decentraland universes and begin interacting with others in a 3D environment. I can even see transportation taking off in the metaverse, simply because maybe there are places that people don't know how to navigate to, and maybe the worlds get so big that you can't necessarily walk your way over there in an efficient manner, or even fly over there. Maybe you want to just take an expressway and someone could build or code, you know, as an NFT or whatever into the world, a transportation system, maybe like this super fast bus or this super fast train, where you can board onto it and get from one world to the next in an instant. So I can even see how transportation can take off in the crypto metaverse for people who are still new and just want to go from point A to point B extremely fast without having to walk around, and however long that might take. Now, before we explore all the cool things you can buy on Decentraland as an NFT, I just had to show you this piece of poetry. It's called the Decentraland Haiku. They said, "Stay inside. I know a place we can go and be ourselves. I just thought that was such a beautiful piece of poetry. And of course, it's an NFT. Bravo to you, David Zabrowski. That was a beautiful piece of poetry. Now let's take a look at some of the other NFTs available for Decentraland on OpenSea. Now, if you want to begin exploring all the different things you can get as NFTs through Decentraland, I would really recommend checking out OpenSea.io, which is one of the top NFT platforms in the world that basically hosts some of the more popular metaverse worlds and NFTs in general. It's a huge marketplace where you can buy and sell NFTs easily. And once you're inside OpenSea, just go to the search bar and type in Decentraland, and you'll be able to see all of the different things that they have available as NFTs for sale on the Decentraland platform. So you have Decentraland General, you have Decentraland names, Decentraland wearables, Decentraland wearables on Polygon. I mean, the list goes on and on and on all the different things you can buy. So I'm just going to type in the regular standard Decentraland. I clicked on that, and right away it takes you to the real estate location where you can begin buying virtual real estate for Decentraland. And they have the prices here and the bids. And I mean, you can literally just spend hours doing research and checking out what areas are more densely populated than others, which areas have more potential, and you can even begin investing in real estate right away through NFTs when you use OpenSea and you're searching for properties in Decentraland. So, I mean, the list goes on all the different things you can buy as an NFT for Decentraland, which really just makes it so accessible to the entire world, because now everybody can participate in real estate auctions and everyone can now begin making items to sell for other people in Decentraland, in the crypto metaverse, all through the native currency called Mana. So I really encourage you to go out there and check out Decentraland. Get a feel for what the 3D metaverse is starting to turn out to be, just to get a feel about what the 3D metaverse is happening and how cryptocurrency is pioneering innovation all over the world. I would have done a quick tutorial video inside the Metaland world just so you can see exactly how it looks, but it would have made this video extremely slow because it would have been trying to process 3D data while I was recording. So that wouldn't have been fun to watch at all. So I encourage you to check out Decentraland, click on Get Started. You'll pick a name, pick an avatar, and boom, you'll be able to go inside this world virtually if you want and begin checking out all the different types of events that are there. I mean, I've already been on Decentraland. I've played games on Decentraland. I've been to concerts on Decentraland. I've met other people and just had really great conversations with people. I have no idea who they are in the real world, but we just had some really good conversations while playing some games. And even at a concert, I mean, you just see people talking to each other in the club. That is just such a wild experience to like talk to complete strangers. You actually have a DJ on the stage playing music or a concert going on live, and you're just looking around at others and you just see people, you know, starting conversations or people walking around, flying around. It's such a wild experience and it's so much fun. So check out the crypto metaverse for yourself. Let me know what you think about the crypto metaverse and how you think it could potentially change the world. Now tell me, was that not mind-blowing? Just being able to go into a 3D metaverse, and it has its own cryptocurrency that you can go ahead and purchase tickets to a concert, purchase goods, clothes, whatever you want. It has its own currency now. I mean, just imagine all the crazy things you'll be able to do in the future when this project begins taking over the metaverse worlds and more people begin joining the metaverse and doing all sorts of cool things inside these worlds. I think we're going to see customization to a whole nother level. I mean, now people have an opportunity to purchase land in metaverse worlds, and now they can do whatever they want in this digital space. I mean, they can literally create their own universe in the crypto metaverse. So, I mean, this is going to take user expression to a whole nother level. People can express more accurately what they're all about, what they love, and showcase that to the world to appreciate on a whole other level never before possible in the regular world. The crypto metaverse, in my opinion, it's going to be an experience we're never going to forget. And before I forget, if you love this content, don't forget to smash that like button. It supports the channel and I would really appreciate it. And if you have any comments at all, feel free to drop them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Let's get a conversation going about cryptocurrency, why you're excited about it, what you think the implications are for the crypto metaverse, and how you think the future is going to look with this new crypto metaverse worlds that are exponentially being created. Well, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow.